Hey guys! In this video, I will be showing how to install HyperOS interactive pet widgets on any Poco device. These are the interactive pet widgets you can touch to wake them. After some time, they go back to sleep. There is also some animations when they are sleeping. To install these, first open Settings and go to About Phone. Now open Backup and Restore and click on Mobile Backup. Now uncheck everything and check Poco Launcher under Other System App Data category and tap on Backup. Now download this file, link in description. Move the file to MIUI Backup, All Backup, to the backup folder just created. Click Replace. Now go back to Settings, About Phone, and open Backup and Restore. Open Mobile Backup and tap on Restore. Now restore the backup we just made. Now you will have interactive pet wallpapers on your home screen. You can change the home screen layout to resize them.